Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. So I'm going to try to make this a quick video. This is a kind of a tool review, and I wanted to show you a new ratchet that came out a while back. And I kept seeing these ratchets in O'Reilly's Auto Parts, and I picked this one up years ago. This was about 3 years ago, I believe now. And I really like it. I mean, this one's been nice, but there's a new one that came out that was even smaller than this that I thought was gimmicky, and I ended up picking it up. And I'll kind of explain the difference with them real quick and show you some of the tools that I've picked up recently. And you know, I try to do tool reviews very honest. So like I tell you, if there's something that I don't like or that I don't care for, you know, it's I'll give an honest review. So if somebody wants to send some tools or whatever, I'm not going to just say, oh, these are the greatest, these are the best or whatever. If it's a piece of crap, you guys know I'll say, hey, this tool sucks, or it's a piece of crap or whatever. But I really like this one. This is the Power Torque, and there's the number there. If you guys can read that, you can screenshot it or whatever. Ah, there you go. And this is the short style, or whatever you want to call it. Let me go ahead and set up the tripod real quick. So it's got a really nice finish and everything on it. And I've been using this. I'll see, it did it again. But what happens is every once in a while, I mean, I would say it's a good quality, but you have to keep this lubed really, really well. If not, it ends up where it doesn't, it just doesn't work. It just stops working. And it comes with these are almost like the go-through socket sets, but it's like a micro ratchet or a micro sockets. I'm not sure what you guys call them. I've heard them called nano sockets, whatever. And you can see that it's only about 3/4 of an inch right here. So it's a, you know, really close quarters ratchet, and it works well. But the problem is when this thing sits for a little bit and you don't have any like WD-40 or whatever in there, any lube in there, it ends up just locking up. And you have to like put a socket on it and get it to work again, and then pull this apart and then start using it this way, you know, like if you wanted to use the ratchet, because it's got an adapter that comes with it where you can put a 1/4 inch socket on it. And it does have a push button to drop that socket off. And I believe this is like a 90 tooth, if I remember correctly. Somebody might correct me on that. I'm not sure. It's a GM6183 is your part number, and that's a Power Torque. And that comes from O'Reilly's Auto Parts. And I believe this was about 25 bucks, I believe it was. And it had there's a metric and standard set of these sockets that come with it that you can buy at O'Reilly's. Well, I really liked it. Ended up grabbing it. I used the hell out of it. But this newest set, I got to use this the other day, and we were in the shop using this set and the other set that I'm gonna the other ratchet that I'm gonna show you in a minute. And let me tell you, these are absolutely amazing. So this set here is 17 bucks. I believe this one was 17, 18 bucks, whatever, at O'Reilly's Auto Parts. That's the Power Torque, 32 piece. Come on, focus, you piece of crap. And this is the GM4325. I'm not sure if the camera's gonna pick that up. Let's see if I can zoom in on this. There you go. Oh, like a professional. Sorry about the crappy camera. But it comes with, give me a second here. It comes with a ratchet that is also a bit holder. And you have a, I believe it's 90 tooth on this one also. And it has a forward and reverse switch here. And this is made so you can put a bit in here. And then it's got a 1/4 inch ratchet with a socket, the holder, you know, where you can push the button and drop it off. This is kind of a crappy video. I'm trying to do this through my tripod, and it's kind of a pain in the ass. But really nice action and everything on this. And I like that you could do, you know, use a 1/4 inch, and then you could also use the bit holder. But one of the ratchets that I was using the other day in the shop is this one right here. So I ended up going and getting my own. And let me tell you, this thing is a game changer. This has the swivel head. And this is the one that I saw at O'Reilly's. I thought this was real gimmicky. And I thought, no, I'm not going to get one of those and whatever. After using this thing in the shop the other day, I was like, holy crap, I have to have one of these. So I went and the one that is a little bit different has a bit holder like this on the end. And I tried picking that one up. They did not have it in stock in O'Reilly's, but I ended up coming home and finding this exact ratchet with this bit holder for 17 bucks on eBay. And then this one here was 17, it was like $18.23, whatever, in O'Reilly's. And the Titan brand tools, they've been really pushing, you know, their brand, like in O'Reilly's Auto Parts, AutoZone, all your automotive dealers or whatever, parts dealers. But it's a 90 tooth here. It says it's lifetime warranty. I don't know. I don't believe in warranties. They always got some special crap that they screw you out of, in my opinion. You guys think what you want. I don't care. But there's the website right there. And there's the part number. 11313, top right hand corner here. It's 1/4 inch drive, 90 tooth. And the one that I ordered, I can't wait till it shows up. I want to try that out. And I also want to thank, in yesterday's video, you know, I did a thing, I was talking about pocket pry bars, and pocketprybars.com, he sent me some pry bars, and I'll be sending some of these out to different guys on YouTube to try them out. And these things are really cool. I mean, they're awesome. There's certain tools that are like go-to tools in your toolbox that are really nice. And I know these are not Mac or Snap-on or whatever, but here's the deal. You go onto a Snap-on truck or a Mac truck, these same damn things are like $29. I'm like, seriously? And I was like looking at them thinking, man, that'd be really handy instead of just a little screwdriver. It's a pry bar. And so this guy here, he sells these kits, and you can pick them up very reasonable. And I think I want to say I got, what was it, 4 of them for $6 or something. It's, you know, dirt cheap. You know, I imagine they're made in China. I'm not sure. It doesn't say on them anywhere. And super handy though. But the reason I had them here is, you know, I'm gonna pull this ratchet out of here, but you can see that when you, oh, and I also stabbed one of them through my thumb the other day in the shop. So yeah, don't do that. But that's what I'm talking about. You know, they're so handy for pulling stuff off like that right there. So look at how small this, whoa, sorry about that. And you can see, you know, in your hand, really nice little ratchets. And the size is nice. I mean, and I've even seen them where their handles are about this short here. They have some nice knurling on the top part here. And I like this because when you're using these, you can hold on to that knurling. And then the other cool part is this flex head, I guess you'd call it. It does 180 right here. You know, so you can go underneath something or flip it all the way around to this side, whatever. And you can get some crazy angles, and you'll use these things like crazy. And this is reversible. It has a switch here that you switch, and it's got forward and reverse. And then the other thing I like about it is when you have a socket on it and you're trying to take something off in a tight quarter or whatever. And the one I was using in the shop the other day was a bit holder. So like I said, I couldn't find that one, so I had to order it on eBay. Hopefully I'm not boring you guys with this video. But this is what I like about these right here. When you're in a spot, you can use this like a ratchet like this. And then also, you know, a normal ratchet. It's just, you know, really, really nice. I mean, man, and they're built. They have a really nice quality finish on them. It's like black anodized. They put the Titan logo on here. And I believe that's tampoed is what they call that. When they put when they tampo the letters on there and it's like printed. But I mean, you know, you could tell this thing's built really, really nice. And I can see that this will be one of those tools that I'll use the heck out of. So really nice tool. And the one that I have coming in from eBay, it should be here like Thursday, I guess, but it's got a bit holder like this on it. So I'll be able to use these style bits in that ratchet, which would be really nice. I like this little Power Torx kit though. It comes with all the bits and then also comes with the 1/4 inch adapter, which is really cool. And I thought, oh, this is just a little gimmicky, cheap Chinese deal, whatever. But after using this and this the other day at the shop, I was like, psh, I'm going straight over and grabbing that at O'Reilly's, you know. And like I said, it's, you know, 17, 18 bucks for each kit for those. Totally worth it, in my opinion. I'm not going to give up on this one. I really like it. This is one of my favorite 1/4 inch ratchets. But see, like right here, it's like, you almost have to have a socket on it to get it to ratchet. But once it starts to ratchet, it goes well. But you have to keep that thing lubed really well. It's if not, it just ends up locking up on you. And I think it's just maybe just from the moisture, the humidity sitting in my toolbox or whatever. And my toolbox lid is always open. So I'm hoping that's all it is. But it's still a good tool. I believe in it. I'd highly recommend it. It's one of my favorites, so I use it all the time. And I like this little sweepy handle it has on it, and the grip that you can get on it. For 1/4 inch, it makes it nice, you know, especially when we're working on the motorcycles and stuff. One of the other tools, like I said, the pocket pry bar. Here's the website. You can go on there and pocketprybars.com, and he has them in a couple colors and another style pry bar setup that he has, and some flashlights and whatever. He has an eBay channel. He has a website. And I will be sending these out to a bunch of YouTubers, and I appreciate it. The other thing I want to show real quick is from Bill Cameron, Edge of Eternity. Thank you so much, brother. I really appreciate this. This is awesome right here. I've been taking my welding helmets and bolting a Energizer, I believe it was, like a camp light or a headlamp to my welding helmets. And I seen Bill was using this one and asked him something about it. And he's like, hey, I'll send you one. It literally was here in like 2 days. I was like, what the heck is this, you know? And then when I opened it up, I was like, wow. And Bill's a man of his word, you know? He's always doing, you know, extremely cool things for people. Love the guy to pieces. If you guys haven't checked out his channel, it's Bill Cameron, Edge of Eternity. Go there and he'll help you build your faith and build hot rods at the same time. Thanks, brother. So this, it's got a rechargeable headlamp. It's got a mount here with some, there's a few different 3M tape setups in the back. You peel off this stuff here, you stick it on your hard hat, your welding helmet, your motorcycle helmet, whatever. Bicycle helmet, you know, at night. I mean, there's so many uses for this. It's really cool. And then it's got a charging cord here. And then it's got some instructions and a warranty card. I'd throw the warranty card away because, like I said, I don't believe in warranties. They always screw me around, and I don't go for that. But anyways, it's got 3 modes, I believe it was. There's a high, a low, and then it's got the flash, which I kind of don't understand that. But I figure that's for the hard hat for not emergency, but for like safety guys, you know, working on the railroad or maybe in a big warehouse or something. But look how bright this thing is for your welding helmet. And then it does have an adjustment up and down this way. So when it's on your welding helmet, you can adjust it all over the place. Really cool setup. But to turn it off, you hold a button and it shuts off. And I can see how that's going to be used like crazy on my welding helmet, because when you get older, you know, your eyes are kind of messing with you a little bit and you're trying to see through the welding helmet stuff. But when you have that flashlight over the top of something, you know, where you can see it, makes it so much nicer. But really high quality. And this is, I believe he said this came from Amazon. If you're watching the video, Bill, if you don't mind leaving a comment and, you know, tell me where you can buy these, if it's Eastwood or Amazon or whatever. And what I'll do is I'll pin that comment so people can see where to buy this at. And it's a Greer Ride. Like I said, it's a hard hat flashlight, but you can use it on your welding helmet, which is what Bill did. Thank you, Bill Cameron. Appreciate you, bro. But anyways, I'm going to get out of here. You guys go check out all these tools online and whatever. I do not have links for these, so I'm not going to put a link down below. You'll have to check them out, look them up. And most of these are at O'Reilly's Auto Parts, like I was saying. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one later. Real quick too, I wanted to mention that he's got a promo code for the pocket pry bars, 15% off your next order, and it's pocketprybars.com. You can see that on the bottom there. And he also has another deal on the back of his card that I wanted to show you. So that's for his eBay store. And you can find him on eBay or on his website. So go check him out. Thanks for watching.